Hi friends, today we'll be talking about the working of a Wankel engine. This is a rotary type engine. You might be knowing about the working of reciprocating type engines like the two-stroke engines and the four-stroke engines. So today let's see how a Wankel engine works. So I have drawn a Wankel engine for making you understand it's working very easy. So let's see, this is the casing over here, the casing, and we have a three-lobed rotor, 1, 2, 3, a three-lobed rotor which is placed inside the housing. This is the housing, and here we have cooling, is water cooled engine. Here we have the spark plug, and the housing is in a special type. It is a epitrochoidal shape. You can see this is an epitrochoidal shape, so it makes this engine unique, and it is a rotor type engine. So let's see how it works. This rotation of these lobes results in the working of this engine. The suction, compression, and the power is produced when these lobes rotate. So as it rotates, you can see the suction is happening because when the lobe rotates to this direction, lobe pressure is created here. So when it rotates clockwise, you can see that here the lobe will come in this direction, and here there is an opening towards the inlet. So the inlet opens and the fuel comes inside due to a low pressure over here, and the lobe further rotates. As it further rotates, it gets like this. So the fuel will be coming to this spot, and further it moves due to this epitrochoidal shape. It so happens that here when the lobe rotates further to this direction, the compression happens, and when it reaches the spark plug, it will be properly compressed, and the spark is happening from the spark plug, which results in the fuel to ignite and the combustion is occurring. So in this cycle results in the production of power. I hope you understand, like suction here, compression when the lobe reaches here, and further compressed and ignition, or the power is happening when the lobe exactly placed like this. So at this point of time, the fuel will be perfectly compressed, and the spark plug sparks and ignition or the combustion happens, and this results in the power production. So resulting in the lobe to further rotate. So we can see the three lobe rotor. So in these three lobes, the fuel will be sucked, compressed, and exhaust will be happening. So when the lobe further rotates, at this point the exhaust gas will be expelled through the outlet port. So the exhaust is happening. So suction through here, compression, ignition, and exhaust as per the rotation of the lobe. So each chambers of this lobe involved in each process of suction, compression, and exhaust. I hope you understand how a Wankel engine simply works. The advantage of the Wankel engine is that it has no reciprocating components, so vibration of the engine is less. The weight of the engine is also comparatively less compared to the reciprocating type engines, and this is widely being researched nowadays for creating more efficient Wankel engines. The disadvantage is that the sealing portion is a bit difficult in this type of engines, but now new technologies have been developed to avoid that. For getting more details on this, and also for more details on automobile engineering, please visit my blog www.techtrixinfo.com. I hope you understand this topic.